This is, well, not that show, but,
Okay.
well, it should be like, you know, what the fuck are we thinking, but,
After you listen to so many games, he has to eat one.
yeah.
We'll put it up on Facebook.
YouTube, Facebook, either one.
Smile.
On 3.
1, 2, 3. Dude, you only took a little bite.
Yeah, I'm terrified. That's what you said.
That was like an eating.
Ah! God, Laura.
You took a small bite and had the most reaction. You can't drink the milk, can you?
You got hiccups.
Breathe, breathe, breathe. I have a lot of them.
How are you doing over here?
Great.
You ain't even sweating like a whore in church yet.
His eyes turned red.
Yeah. That's about it. You crying.
His ear is blowing now.
He didn't even eat half of his.
He ate a quarter of it.
Hot.
Hold it in your mouth. Yep, ate a big chunk of it. Want to see that? You did, Pete. You did.
Should have put that in the microwave. Loosened it up a little bit.
Yeah.
And what is that concoction?
Coconut with milkshake and strawberry shake. I don't know. But it's cool enough to neutralize the heat.
Dude, you sweating a little bit.
Right.
You sure you don't want to take another little bite?
No. No.
Come on.
I can. Right now.
Just a little bite. I don't think the boys are doing too good. You okay? You okay? Oh.
Throw it up, please.
Would you like some vinegar?
No.
Vinegar's up there, by the way. Dude, man, you are snot.
I told you I was fucked up. Gotta be fucked up to do that shit.
You are snotty up something fierce.
Mm-hmm. But you know what? That's a good fucking pepper.
What did I tell you?
Still crying.
That's
Is that a good lemon?
Mm-hmm.
But it's good.
Good for what?
You're just tearing up just a little bit.
No. It was a little hot.
You sweating, tearing, snotting.
But it was good. It was worth it. Well, my taste buds are telling me, fuck you. Until next time.
Baker, that was nasty.
That was nasty.
Oh my god. If this is hot, just what I ate a little bit. Imagine those two guys eating the whole thing. They can hardly even breathe. Gary's crying. He's hardly even talk.
What y'all should have was great.
No, there's too much acid inside of it.
Say goodbye to the internet.
Bye bye. Thanks for watching the